Hello everyone, welcome back to my shop. So here's a quick little video on wood changing colors just with some clear coat. So I need to make a sample of white oak, just natural white oak. And here's my sample piece, and I'm gonna spray some lacquer on here. You'll be able to see how wood changes colors. It's crazy how wood changes colors. I'm just using a little Watco satin finish. I like satin. I don't like stuff shiny. So it goes from matte, satin. It actually goes dead flat, flat, matte, satin, semi-gloss, and gloss. So we're just going to use some satin on this piece. Check it out. Totally changes colors. Plain sliced white oak. What do you think?